Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to crochet this pattern. This pattern is for beginner, okay? We can, if you want bigger, this one I'm using 20 chains. If you want bigger, you can do more chain and increase the pattern. You can do this pattern for anything also, like shawl or anything like anything you wish, okay? Okay, we start with 20 chains. Okay, 20 chain. Now we are going to make 3 more chain equal to 1 double crochet. Skip that 3 chain. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in each chain. Repeat doing double crochet in all the chain. Okay, complete double crochet in all the chains. Now we are going to turn. Okay, we make 3 chain. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet in the first one. Okay, like this. Okay, now from here we are going to make 3 chain. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet from here, from the first one. Okay, look at this, like this. Okay, now we are going to skip 1 2 3 4 5 6 stitches. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet over here. Okay, going to repeat this, 3 chain and 2 double crochet in the first one. Then 3 chain again, 2 double crochet, skip 6, then we are going to make 3 chain, 2 double crochet, three more chain, 2 double crochet, okay, now skip 6, we are going to single crochet in the last one. Okay, look at this. Okay, now we are going to do 5 chain, 2 3 4 4 5. Then we are going to make in this top here, we did 3 chain, isn't it? Just now in the first one, now in the third one we are going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, then we are going to make 3 double crochet in this part. Then we are going to repeat. Three double crochet. These 2 rows we are going to repeat. Okay, already turned. We are going to make 3 chain. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet. Then 3 chain again. Skip, and 3 chain. Three chain. Skip 6. 3 chain. Three chain. 2 double crochet. Skip 6 in the last. Then 5 chain. Go for next row. Then we will have 3 double crochet in the third chain. So easy pattern. Can try for a shawl. It will be very pretty for shawl. Okay, look at the pattern. So nice. Okay. Okay, I hope you all will give a try also. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.